Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 6 of my 12 Days of Christmas, we're going to be working on this Icicle water marble using most of the same colors as yesterday's Icicle reciprocal gradient. If you'd like to see the rest of the series, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that we're going to be using today are from Color Club. They're mostly the same colors as we used in yesterday's Icicle reciprocal. The darkest blue is Crystal Baller. The medium blue is Over the Moon. The silver is Harp on It. And for my base color, I'm actually going to be using another Color Club silver, and that's Beg, Borrow, and Steal. It's very similar, but it's not quite as hollow, and so it works out a little bit better as the base. Once I have that applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using Simply Peel and tape. As usual for water marbling, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is complete, you can go ahead and lightly draw up to the top and down to the bottom. Then I'm going to be drawing in some skinny petals from one side of the cup to the other. Once your design is complete, you can dip your nails, 1, 2, or possibly even 3 nails, depending on how wide your usable area of your design is. For this one, I think I'm going to go for 2. I'm going to line them in, try to keep them as straight as possible, and then dip in. With my orange stick, I'm going to clean off the surface so that doesn't stick to my design. And then I'm going to slowly pull out, and there's the water marble. With my tweezers, I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape and the latex, like so. And once I'm done with all my nails, then I'm going to go ahead and clean up. Once you've cleaned up, make sure to press any bubbles flat. Then I'm going to be finishing with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and although I did leave out one of the colors from yesterday's reciprocal and I used a different color as the base, I think you can still definitely see it's the same color scheme. The lightest blue that I used in the gradient really helped to create that transition, but in the water marble it was a little too similar to the silver, so that's why that got left out. And I chose to use a silver with a little bit less holo as the base, because sometimes a too holographic base can make the design hard to see, and I think in this case the design is already a little bit difficult to see at certain angles. The polishes were also very stubborn, even though I'd tested them, but in the end we got a manicure out of it, and I'm pretty happy with it. If you'd like to see the testing, that will be up tomorrow. If you'd like to see some of the testing live, of course, you can follow me over on Twitch. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you're enjoying the series, and as always, thanks for watching.